Today, we're showing you exciting new products from 2023 we didn't get to talk about in our monthly roundup videos, including rolling stamps, adorable pen rests, and more. You can find everything linked in the description and at JetPens.com, the place for pen and stationery lovers. Let's jump in. Pens. Pentel released a new gel pen last year, the Hybrid Matte Hop. It comes in a ton of vibrant colors and dries to a matte plastic finish. It shows up on light and dark papers and can even be used on photos. They're perfect for scrapbooking or adding bold pop art details to comics. The Jelly Roll has kept its iconic cap design since the 1980s, but now it's available in retractable form. We were instantly charmed by the clicker button, which looks like the original Jelly Roll's domed cap. Pick from classic, stardust, and metallic colors. Aren't these Navalor Horizon fountain pens breathtaking? They stole my breath away. From the barrel color to the cap design, each part of the pen is thoughtfully inspired by oceanic motifs. The pens are made from pearlescent handcrafted resin, and the curved cap ring resembles ocean waves. They have piston filling systems and can only be used with bottled inks. The Sailor Compass Fure de Manen fountain pens aren't technically new. We used to carry them in our store years ago and are thrilled that they're back. You can create expressive, brush-like strokes with these fountain pens thanks to their smooth, upturned tips. They create thick or thin lines, depending on how they're held. Besides calligraphy, they're also great for sketching and art. Paper and craft supplies. Midori added several new diaries to their roster last year, all of which are filled with fountain pen-friendly MD paper. The 3-minute diaries are designed to be used for quick daily entries with 3 lines dedicated per day. These journals are undated, so you can fill them in at your own pace. If you need more space, the soft diaries fit 2 days on 1 page. And 1-day, 1-page diaries dedicate an entire page to each day. This year's new edition features a brilliant green cover with gold and silver foil decorations. Finally, Midori released a new embroidered 5-year diary in black. It has an embroidered floral pattern on its cover, and each page is divided into sections, so you can write about the same day across 5 years. New styles of MU Splice Clear stamps released in 2023. They're great for scrapbooking and decorating cards. Just stick them on acrylic blocks and stamp away. Since the stamp and block are both clear, you can see exactly where you're stamping. Pick from elegant foliage, charming animals, travel motifs, and more. This Kamio Japan Korore rolling stamp is perfect for adding cute borders to journals, calendars, and scrapbooks. Its ink is waterproof, so you can color in the patterns with gel pens and markers. Our favorite designs feature animals, but all of them are super adorable. Bags and accessories. Give your dip pen an animal companion with a décollé ceramic pen rest. It'll keep the nib safely elevated while preventing the pen from rolling away. Besides dip pens, you can also use them to prop up chopsticks or silverware. Or you can collect a couple of pen rests for simple desk decor. We know how tempting these critters are. Stylish and convenient, Kamio Japan motion turn-open pen cases feature clear windows that let you see your pens at a glance. They're compact when closed, but open into large pen trays, so it's easy to locate the pens you need. They're available in 4 pastel colors. Which of these products caught your eye? Tell us in the comments. For more exciting stationery, check out our Underhyped Stationery playlist linked in the card above. You can find all these products in the description and at JetPens.com. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.